Namaskar to all traders and welcome. So today in this video I'll be comparing the two very popular platforms, that is FundedNext and my Forex Fund. I'll be taking the FundedNext Stealer account because they have a no time limit feature with two-step challenge, whereas in my Forex Fund as well they have a two-step evaluation with no time limit feature. Now I'm going to compare both of them side by side by considering the various basic and important factors. Decide yourself which one is better for you. Before moving ahead, if you have not subscribed the channel yet, then kindly consider subscribing the channel and like this video, and do let me know in the comment section which platform you like most. Anyways, let's look at the first factor, that is profit target. Now the profit target in FundedNext is 8% in phase 1 and 5% in phase 2. Whereas in my Forex Fund as well, they have a profit target of 8% in phase 1 and 5% in phase 2. Now if you look at the daily drawdown is in FundedNext it is 5%, and in my Forex Fund as well it is 5%. Both of them are giving a tough competition to each other. Anyways, let's look at the maximum drawdown now. Like here what it all makes the difference. Now in FundedNext, if you look at, they have a 10% maximum loss. Whereas in my Forex Fund, they have a 12% maximum loss. Both of the platform provides fixed and static type of loss. So like your loss limit will be calculated from the initial balance. Wherever it stays, it will remain fixed. It won't trail with your profits. Now, if we look at their risk to reward expectation, in case if you don't know what is risk to reward expectation, it's a comparative figure which will tell us, which will tell us how tough or easy the challenge will be. The less the ratio this is, the easier the challenge will be from the perspective of maximum loss and the profit target which they are expecting. Now, in order to calculate that, what I will do, 8 plus 5, whatever the target is, I will add that, and whatever the maximum loss is, I'll divide by that. So it comes 1:1.3 for FundedNext, whereas in my Forex Fund it comes 1:1.08. Now, as you can see, it's very clear that my Forex Fund evaluation is much easier compared to FundedNext. Now, if we look at the drawdown type, in FundedNext, they have a balance-based calculation. That is, while they calculate the daily drawdown, they will calculate from the starting balance of the day. Whereas in my Forex Fund, they will calculate from higher of equity or balance, whichever is higher. From there, they will calculate 5%. So in this case, from the drawdown type perspective, FundedNext is better. Now, if you look at their minimum trading days, both of them have a 5 minimum trading days, and leverage as well, both of them provides 1:100 leverage, and the commission as well, both of them have $3 per lot. Now, if you look at the trading platform, both of them provides both the popular platform, that is MT4 and 5. Now, if you look at the broker in FundedNext is Incento and GrowthNext will be available. You can choose either of them. And in my Forex Fund, the broker is Traders Global Group. Now the stop loss, requirement of stop loss, in both the platform there is no requirement. It is not mandatory to use the stop loss. Now if you look at the profit split, in FundedNext the profit split is up to 90%, whereas in my Forex Fund the profit split is from 75% to the maximum of 85%. Now if you look at their scaling plan, in FundedNext you have to be consistently profitable. Of course, you have to be profitable of 10% or more than 10% in 4 consecutive months, and you have to receive at least 2 payouts during that time, and ensuring that your last trading cycle isn't positive, then they are going to increase your capital by 40% from the initial balance. Whereas if you look at the my Forex Fund, almost they have the same condition, 10% or more within 4 months, and 2 of those are profitable, should be profitable, then they will increase by 30% of the original account size. Now last but not the least, that is their fees. In case, say for example, you are taking a 100k account, in FundedNext you will need to pay $519, whereas in my Forex Fund you will need to pay $499. But let me tell you, like, we have a discount coupon of 10% in FundedNext, and in my Forex Fund they don't give higher than the 5% discount coupon. So like we have only 5% discount coupon in my Forex Fund, like which makes, once you apply the discount coupon, which makes almost same this both of the fees. Anyways, alright traders, this is it for the comparison between FundedNext and my Forex fund. In case if you find it suitable, you can go ahead and apply for the funding. Check description for the discount link and the discount coupons. JAMTONFX closing the comparison between the FundedNext and my Forex fund. Thank you.